Okay, so a little bit frustrated at the moment. And first off, I just want to say for the past 2 and a bit weeks that I haven't uploaded for, I want to apologise, but I've had to deal with some stuff. Life happens and it is what it is. So yeah, hopefully now back to regular uploads every other day, every third day, whatever that may be. And I want to discuss a few things. I want to kind of get across my frustrations that I'm feeling at the moment. And let me know if I'm in the wrong. Let me know if I have no right to be frustrated about this. I could, be completely over the top with my thinking with regards to this. But basically it comes down to which type of videos do you guys want me to make? So my most recent video, which was the rebuild of the cylinder head on the BMW E12, the barn find BMW E12, I asked a question on the community section on my channel. Do you guys want to see a long video or a short video of me rebuilding the cylinder head? Do you want to see me going into real detail and showing you exactly what to do if you are in that scenario yourself, or do you kind of want me to just gloss over and skip quite a few of the steps and make it a shorter video? And 100% of you said to do a long detailed video, which is great. That's the type of video that I like to make. I do like to really go into depth. I do like to try and teach as much as possible. I like to make a video from the perspective of, if I was to watch it myself, I want it to be as easy to watch and follow along and hopefully learn something from it. But yeah, I posted that video. Of course, it was a long video. It's about 40 minutes or so long, very in depth. Went over every step of the rebuild on that cylinder head, and it performed so badly. It was a straight up 10 out of 10. Now, if you have no idea what a 10 out of 10 mean, basically YouTube ranks your last 10 videos. So 1 out of 10, that would mean it's performed the best out of your last 10 videos, and a 10 out of 10, which mean it's performed the 10th best out of the last 10 videos. So it performed very, very badly, struggled to get 1,000 views, and it's so frustrating because that video took a long time to film, a long time to edit. I mean, I did film that over the best part of a week, really. I'd done, a little bit each day. If you do one of those just straight up in one session, I mean, you could rebuild it like in a day or whatever, but of course it takes a lot longer when you're trying to film things and that. So yeah, I'd just done it over the course of about a week. So yeah, obviously I put it all together, edited the video. That took, a good few hours to edit. And then I upload it because I'm like, oh, you guys want to really see this in-depth video, and it just performs so badly. And I know it shouldn't be all about the views, and it's not. I mean, I've put videos out there in the past that are quite clearly not going to perform well, and I've just put it out there because I want to put that video out there. And I wanted a kind of like a diary, or why was it gone so dark? I kind of wanted a diary as such, sort of me following along the progress on, say, a car. So yeah, some videos I know are just not going to perform well, and some videos I know may perform better over the long run. I think that's probably the case with my R56 Mini Cooper S. Kind of going a bit off topic here, but anyway, the R56 Mini Cooper S that I rebuilt, when was it? Last year now. That has, those videos done very, very poorly, which is kind of bit to be expected because most of you guys are probably not interested in the mini stuff. That done so bad in the beginning, but as time goes on, those videos do tick over and continue to gain views, which is all good and kind of what I expected to happen. But when you put so much time, effort, money into a video, and it's supposedly what you guys want to see and it just performs so badly, it just kind of demotivates you a lot. It kind of leaves you thinking, well, what now? I mean, do I just continue to put out these videos that are going to perform very badly, or what? I mean, that's kind of the reason that I'm not doing a full engine rebuild on this, you know, on the Barnfine car, because I can't do a full engine rebuild that's going to cost thousands of pounds for it just to get 1,000 or 2,000 views. Like, it's just not going to be a viable option. And like I said, it shouldn't be about the views, but without the views, I don't earn any money, and without the money I can't take the channel forward, because at the end of the day I want to level up. I want to go to the next car, I want to go to the bigger and better things, and I want to progress the channel. You know, it's only it's going dark, and it's only a natural thing to want to progress the channel, isn't it, right? So yeah, it's frustrating, and I guess I'm making this video to ask you guys for guidance, where you think I should go from here. I am by no means giving up with YouTube. As you all know, it's my full-time job at this point. So yeah, I'm just looking for guidance. Where should I go? Should I, you know, stick to just 5 to 10 minute quick fix videos, which honestly, they're my best performing videos. Literally the videos that take 10 minutes to film and like half an hour to edit. Those are my best performing videos on the channel. And the ones that I put so much time, effort and money into, they just don't perform that well. I don't know what it is. It's so frustrating. I mean, I'm kind of thinking I have to take the rough with the smooth. You know, the videos that don't cost a penny to make, the videos that don't take any time to make, they do well. And then my other videos that do cost a lot of money, like, they don't do well. But it's so frustrating because my channel seems to be the complete opposite to like other channels. Like, I see other channels out there that put a lot of effort, time and money into a video. It does really well and they kind of get rewarded for it. But I don't know, maybe I'm just talking nonsense at this point, but I'll give a couple of examples. So I done a challenge video. This was 2 years ago now, I think it was, driving from John O'Groats to Land's End on 1 tank of fuel. At that point, I don't think there was any other YouTuber that had done it or even attempted it. And so I was the first, and I thought, you know, this is going to do really, really well. And, you know, that obviously cost me a lot of money to do that. There's a lot of planning, a lot went into that. And it just didn't do that well. I think it's on like 15,000 views, which is good, like good, you know, in terms of an average video on my channel. But I thought it was just like gonna blow up. I think it's a good video. I think my editing was decent in that, but it just didn't perform that well. And it's like the same when it came to the Nürburgring video. So I drove again on 1 tank of fuel in my V12 BMW 760 Li. You know, 1 tank of fuel, 500 miles in a V12. I thought, oh, that's going to do so well. It literally got like 5,000 views. I just don't get it. What is it with my channel? It's like YouTube just don't want to push the videos that I think are going to do well, but they just push like the silly videos that you kind of expect won't do well. It's so weird. It's so frustrating. Again, I'm looking for guidance. I'm looking to hear what you guys have to say, and yeah, stick with me. I'm back now. I have so many videos to film on various different cars. I do have a new car coming to the channel, I'm pleased to say, pretty soon as well, so do stay tuned for that. Yeah guys, let me know, leave some comments down below. I'm interested to know your thoughts. I want to thank you all for watching anyway. Thank you all for the support. Give this video a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you have not already done so. I'll see you all in the next one.